what is data? That is the very fundamental questions in data science. Data can be classified as qualitative and the quantitative data. Every research will begins with the identification of the research problem, which initiate with the help of data collection. The very first step after determining the research problem, we have to gather the data. There are the two important types of the data. One is called the qualitative data and other is referred to as quantitative data. Qualitative data can also be categorized into the nominal nature and ordinal nature. These are the two different types of categorical data. And continuous data can be bifurcated into the two segments. One segment is referred to as discrete data and other is called continuous data. For example, in a research problem, if someone is collecting the data like age, so the age of customer is a numeric data and which probably in the form of continuous in nature. Suppose someone is collecting the data about the number of items sold whenever a salesman went to the market for sales. So this type of variable is a discrete in nature. How many items sold by the salesman is a discrete data. On the other hand, there are some categorical data in the problem, like the customer sold an item either to a male person or a female person. So the gender of the purchaser is a data which is categorical in nature, and this type of category is referred to as nominal data. So nominal data is what? Nominal data is a type in which we have some categories, and the categories cannot be recognized as which one is larger and which one is smaller. On the other hand, if we have customers, the customer number one and the rating of the customer we are interested in, customer number one having the high rating and customer number two having low rating. So rating is a variable in which the two categories we have, low and high. And all of you are familiar that the high is superior than the low. The customer which have a higher score is assumed to be a better customer as compared to the customer who has a low value of the index. Instead of the different types of data, there are the two forms of the data. One is called unstructured data and other is referred to as structured data. Customer review in the form of video, customer review in the form of audio, the customer review in the form of picture or text. All of these reviews are referred to as unstructured data. While in the structured data, we have the data in the form of a table, like customer account number, customer age, and the address, and so on. This type of data, this is customer number one, customer number two, and so on. This is customer number n. And we have a very structured form of this data. The bank customer or grocery store customer or any other customer we have here. So the customer's data in this organized form is referred to as structured data.